In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Logitech Pro X microphone not working. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the official application of Logitech G Hub, and from there you want to check whether your product have an available firmware update. After updating your device, you want to head over to your Windows computer, click on the volume icon, click Open Sound Setting, click on the sound control panel, and from here click recording. This is basically all the available microphones on our computer right here. So what you want to do is to simply look for the microphone on the Logitech Pro X. Now let's say this is the microphone right here. This is the current microphone that I'm using. You can just simply right click on it, click on the enable button if it says enabled right here, click on the set as default device, click on apply, and click on OK. From there, you also want to check your microphone out by heading over to the input section and making sure that the Logitech Pro is selected on this menu. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guys to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.